Hi everybody, I'm Leonarda, I'm your personal stylist. Today is a special day because I decided to do a collaboration with a makeup artist, and the makeup artist is Michele. Hi Michele.
Hi everyone.
I decided to go with Michele because normally you see so many makeup artists in Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, but to be honest I choose Michele. I contacted Michele and I just said, Michele, would you like to do a collaboration with me? And luckily enough Michele said yes. So Michele, talk about me, about you, and explain what you do really.
Alright, so I work as a makeup artist. It's been more or less 6 years. Lately I've been doing more retail, so if sometimes you have any questions and you want any tricks of makeup, just let me know. Just put some questions.
Plenty of questions.
So I've started my Instagram and my YouTube and my blog this year. Well, the Instagram I already had it, but more seriously and more professionally this year. And Leonarda saw it, she was attracted to it.
Yeah, amazing,
amazing. And we will put the links, and I'm very excited to be here. So Leonarda today, she's gonna choose a few outfits, and I'm gonna combine the makeup with the outfits. I'm gonna show you how you choose the colors and the best way to link the makeup with the clothes that she's gonna choose. I think it's very important to have, you know, your face. It matches your clothes, and
definitely
yeah, it gives that enthusiasm when people see you, and that's what I want to create. I want to create that impact together with the clothes that Leonarda, she puts them together. She's amazing. She's amazing.
Too kind.
It's true, and I just want to make them look even, you know, better and more glamorous.
Yes, I think it doesn't matter much. You can try, you can wear, like I always say in my video, you can wear lovely clothes, but you need that touch of makeup, because that's why today, the reason why I'm wearing my glasses is to cover myself, because I don't wear any. This is the real Leonarda without the makeup. So,
and she's still beautiful.
Yeah, right. But I would like to show you before and after. So I decided to be brave, not to wear any. And I would like to see amazing Michele is, and it's not just for compliment, it's the reality. That's why I did ask her to do it today. So like we said, we will have 3 outfits and you will do different look for different ones. So you will see us little things,
magic.
The magic
Yes.
laughing, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go and do it.
Yeah, so let's move on and let's get started with the first outfit and the first makeup look. Alright. So I already did the face. And to do the face I'm going to be very quickly with the products I've used, because I just want you to do a very quick makeup, and this is about also to make, to give quick tricks and tips as well. So for Leonarda, because she has beautiful eyes, I focus on the face, and I know that the face looks very natural, and that's what I wanted. That's the result I really wanted to create here. But it does give a little bit of work to have that natural, glowy, radiant skin. So I've used 2 primers, and I've used the Giorgio Armani UV Master, which it has a glowy base, but then to minimize the pores, I've used the Urban Decay Pore Minimizer, well, Pore Perfecting, sorry. But any primer that is going to minimize your pores is going to be perfect. Then of course I've did foundation, I've applied bronzer and blushed. I already primed the eyes as well, so the face is done. I did also the concealer, and concealer, I was saying to Leonarda, always focus more inside and less outside. Sometimes when you applying too much, concealing too much powder under this area, right, it happens that you just see more lines and it doesn't look good. So that's why I prefer always to put more here and less there. And it's better because you see now it looks very natural, and I love that. And I was more focused covering the dark circles and this inside the under eye area.
And that's my problem, because I got a dark circle and because of the lines, so that's something new. I didn't know about it, and I learned today for sure.
Yeah. If you have any questions, as we said in the beginning, just leave comments, make any questions you want. In the future, we never know, maybe we're going to do a specific video. If you want a specific video how to do the concealer or the foundation, just let us know. Okay, this is more about combine the makeup with the clothing, and that's why I'm not going to be so specific. All right, so for eyes, I'm going to start doing an eyeliner and then work with it. I'm sorry if I'm not going to show all the steps, and I'm just showing you at least the face, then I'm going to tell you quickly the eyes as well. So I'm going to do it very quickly. In the future, who knows, we can do something very specific. We've did Leonarda eyes, and we're going to pass to lips. I want to show you closer how the face and the eyes they look, so just give me a second. So you can see the face and the eyes, and this is a casual makeup. Okay, and as I said, I wanted to do a very natural face, and the eyes as well. We've had a green eyeliner. I'm just gonna zoom out. So this is a makeup that you can do for every day. Just to brighten up the makeup, I'm gonna use a bright pink to pop out a little bit more, and definitely the pink, it goes with this makeup, because it's the green makes it a little bit cool, and the bright pink is gonna make it cool. You might think it's going to be a warm color with cool, but no, it's going to match. You will see it together then with the outfit that she's going to wear. It's going to look very nice. So let's start with the lips. I always start using lip pencils, and then I do lipsticks. The way I like to do that, it's just because it plumps, it makes your lips look plumper, fuller, more attractive. So so I'm going to use the pencil from Urban Decay. This was a limited edition, I think it was a limited edition from Gwen Stefani, and this is called the color Firebird. If any makeup artist is seeing me, they are asking themselves, do you work with both hands? Yes, I do work with both hands. Every makeup artist always asks me, how are you able? I don't know. That's the way it is for me.
You're ambidextrous, like me. I'm the same.
Yeah.
I'm the same. I'm ambidextrous. I draw for one hand and then I draw for another. Yeah.
I'm going to fill it in the lips also with a lip pencil, and then I'll put the lipstick on top. I like to do this to make sure that the lipstick is gonna stay and it's gonna hold. We've applied probably the color doesn't look as bright because we've applied before the Too Faced. If you've seen my videos, if everyone has seen my videos, probably you have seen the Too Faced lip injection, and I've applied on her lips. So it's kind of a clear gloss, but it's
tingly sensation. I got my
lips.
Exactly.
I love it. So I've applied that before, so probably that's why this pink pencil doesn't look as bright, just because we've applied the lip gloss. For lips, I'm gonna mix. So I'm gonna use this. This is lighter than the lip liner, but I'm gonna mix with lip stroke from Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna give a 3D effect, as I normally do, because I do love to mix lipsticks. It's just, I'm completely addicted to it. The lipstick from Armani, it's the Lip Magnet, and it's the 505. I love this color. It's a very beautiful really nice pink. What happens with the matte is that the matte lipstick, because it, like for example, if you're creating a bigger shape of lips, the reason you use the matte lipstick is because the matte lipstick is gonna stay, it's not gonna move. If you apply a lip gloss or a shimmer lipstick, it moves, and then that line that you've created to make an illusion that your lips are bigger is just gonna disappear. That's why you normally use first a matte lipstick and then you use a shimmer or a lip gloss, lipstick, whatever. So this one is the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe, and this is Shameless.
That's totally like the opposite, isn't it? Like
yes.
It's like a bronzy color.
Which is gonna be really nice with your outfit. Yeah. So normally I just apply on the top. And I mean on the top, on the center, sorry. Yeah.
Definitely, because you can see it's like the spark in the middle of the
Yes.
lips, but not all over. Yeah.
I like that. Yeah, so the first makeup look is done for the casual outfit. She's going to
try and put this casual outfit, so I'll see you in a second. Let's do this. Hi guys, so Michele finished the makeup and I'm really happy. And you know why? Because I learned so many little tips I didn't know existed. So I'm very happy for that. So this is the casual look, and I decided to wear a Abercrombie & Fitch little white vest, wearing a short over Ralph Lauren with little studs in it, and a belt, a brown belt from Roberto Cavalli. And the boots is ankle boots, they are material, they're from Stella McCartney. But to finish the look, I'm wearing a Topshop jacket, army jacket, so I would wear it like this. You can see. And again, I would like to wear a lip. Finish. Sorry, it's got into the top of my head, but this will be the finished look. And with my brown and black handbag, so that's the finished look.